Hello children, in this video we are going to study Mathematics chapter 11 tables and shares on page number 123. Now children, how many cats? Some of Gayatri's cats were playing in the box. When she tried to count, all she could see were legs. She counted 28 legs. How many cats are there in the box? Now children, we know that one cat has 4 legs. So children, 8 legs means 2 cats, 12 legs means 3 cats. Now children, here see how many legs. 1 cat, 4 legs, 2 cats, 8 legs. So we are reading the table of 8 here, 4 here. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24. Because one cat is having 4 legs. So we are reading the table of 4 here. 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32. Now children, how many cats? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28 and 4 eights are 32. Means children, how many cats are there when there are 28 legs? Because she has counted that there are 28 legs. So 28 legs means how many cats are there? 7 cats are there. Understood? Now here children, Billu has kept his chickens in a box. He counted 28 legs. How many chickens are there? Now children, here see, if you look here to the upper side, we have simply divided 28 divided by 4. You got 7 here. Now children, here in this case, chicken has how many? One chicken has 2 legs. So 28 legs will make how many chickens? 28 divided by 2 if you do children, because one chicken has 2 legs. So 28 legs will give me how many chickens? So 28 divided by 2, that will give me children, if you do it simple division, you will find that there are 14 chickens. Understood children? And division children, I have taught you earlier with the greater number also. So these divisions you can do it very easily. You have to do it like this children. 28 divided by 2, that you know very well. In this method you have to do it. Now children, the next question is, Leela has not gone to school for 21 days. For how many weeks was she away from the school? Now 21 days she has not gone to school, and in terms of weeks they are telling us to find out how many weeks was she away from school. Now children, in 1 week how many days are there? 1 week is equal to 7 days. So 21 days is equal to how many weeks? Now children, again we are going to divide 21 days, 21 divided by 7. Now children, 21 divided by 7. Now here 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. So here the answer will be 3 weeks she is away from the school. Now children, jumping animals. Do you remember the jumping animals of class 3rd? The frog jumps 3 steps at a time starting from 0. Means a frog jumps 3 steps at a time. At one time she is jumping at 3 steps. Now children, count the jump he takes to reach 27. Now what we have to do here children? So he has taken 27 divided by 3. Now in table, if you read the table of 3 children, when 27 comes, 9s are. So the frog takes 9 jumps to reach 27. Now children, in the next part, here they are asking, he has taken dash jumps if he is at 36. Now children, 36 will be divided by 3. Now here 3 ones are 3, 0. This 6 will come down. 2s are. Now children, he has taken how many jumps? 12 jumps. He is at 36. Now children, in the next part they are asking you if he is at 42, he has taken dash jumps. Now again here we have to do 42 divided by 3 so that we will get the number of jumps he has taken. Now children, 42 divided by 3, here 3 ones are 3, minus 3, 4 minus 3 will give me 1. This 2 will come down by rule. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. So children, if he is at 42, he has taken 14 jumps. Okay, now coming to the next part. Now children, starting from 0, a rabbit jumps 5 steps at a time. At a time, he is jumping 5 steps. In how many jumps does he reach 25? So here simply 25 divided by 5 if you do children. You will, if you read the table of 5, 25 will be at 5 5s are 25. So the answer will be 5. Now children, he reaches dash after taking 8 jumps. If he is jumping from 0 and he jumps 5 steps at a time, so children, in 8 jumps, at what number he will reach? 5 into 8, that will give me 40. He reaches 40 at the number 40 after taking 8 jumps. Now children, he needs dash jump to reach 55. Now 55, if divided by 5, you will get here 11 jumps. So he needs 11 jumps to reach 55. Now children, this practice time you are going to do it on your own. These are very simple questions. You simply have to divide. This is the sign of division. And children, you just have to divide here 28 divided by 2, that you know it very well. This you are going to do it on your own. This is homework for you children. Now children, coming to the next part, that is seashells. Dhruv lives near the sea. He thought of making necklace for his 3 friends. How many friends Dhruv has children? 3 friends. He looked for seashells the whole day. He collected 112 seashells by evening. Now he had many different colorful and shiny shells. I will make a necklace of 28 shells. In one necklace, he is going to have 28 shells. Will these shells be enough to make necklace for all of my friends? Let's see children. So children, he took 28 shells for one necklace. So 112 minus 28 will give you 84. Now he was left with 84 shells. Again he took 28 more shells for the second necklace. How many shells are left now? Now children, here simply 84 minus 28 if you do, you will have here children 84 minus 28 will give you 7 minus 2, that will give you 5. 56 shells are still remaining with him. Now children, here one necklace is finished, second necklace is finished. Now then he took shells for the third necklace. Now children, so he was left again in third necklace. How many shells he is going to have? 28. Now children, 56 minus 28 if you do, you will find here 6. It is not possible for me to subtract 8 from 6. So we will have borrowing 1. 16 minus 8 will give me 8 and 28. So he was left with 28 shells. Now children, how many necklace can Dhruv make from 112 shells? He can make in all 4 necklace from the 112 shells. Are the shells enough for making necklace for all his friends? Now children, how many friends Dhruv has? 3 friends. And they are asking, are the shells enough for making necklace for all his friend? Yes, the shells are enough for making the necklace for all of his 3 friends. Now children, with this I will stop here. Try these of page number 125. We will see in the next video.